It's, it's time for the toss. The men who matter are out here. Let's see. And it's tails. It's a decision to bowl for. This is it. It's time. Now the fielders can stretch their legs and stop those boundaries. When the bowler's trying to play executioner, the umpire steps in as judge and jury. Saw that catch coming. The striker shuffles back to the pavilion. And there goes the wicket. He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game here. A brute of a ball that sadly misses the mark and goes wide. Lack of control from the bowling, resulting in a wide. The bowler tries for something new here. A change of sides signaled by the umpire. He goes for the hook shot and times it perfectly. He it his way and the ball responds like a slingshot. Got him with an easy catch in the end. Here's the new man in. He should stick to the team plan and anchor the innings. No need to run for it. Looks like he's sending a message to the bowler. First ball boundary. He's taken the safe route on that one. Looks like the bowler forgot the stumps aren't near the batsman's head. Oh, wide for sure. That's gonna sting later. Let's hope he can recover from it quickly. The bowling side has decided to continue the medium pace onslaught. The fielders are pulling out all the stops by making all the stops. Loses his balance on that occasion and he is struggling his way up. The batsman takes a heavy blow on his body as he misjudges it. Good stuff from the bowler. Bowls a shortish delivery this time. Fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. The crowd is straining to follow that one. What a stunner! Gets underneath the ball this time and lofts it for a 6 off the last ball. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. He's making the batsman work for his money. A spirited defense. The signals it as a wide delivery. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. That was caught with good judgment in the outfield. He has to stick to his basics and not give away his wicket here. What a cracking start! A boundary off his first encounter. A lovely drive down the offside. Beautiful follow-through. He's playing it safe by sticking to just the one. What a shot! A stupendous blow that comfortably clears the stands. He's given the ball some French leave from the pitch. Too bad the bowler didn't approve. He's a real shotgun, this one. Let's see if he can generate some swing. Poor delivery from the bowler. That's called a wide by the umpire. At it brilliantly. The stroke connects. Well run. They make it back into the crease safely. That's a rail gun of a shot. Belted it far, high and away. Control from the bowling, resulting in a wide. The batsman hooks and makes good contact with the ball. Well judged by the fielder. Fantastic timing on that one. He plays a lofted flick over third man. 4 more runs to end the over. Too many loose deliveries in that one. A costly over that'll come back to bite him. Some aggressive defence there from the fielding side. That's one more notch on his belt. Good single. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. Couldn't have added more grace to it. He's driven it hard and home, frolicking down the pitch. Ozan! The decision is in favour of the batsman. Not out, says the umpire. Took the pace off the ball with that brilliantly timed dive. He didn't learn that novelty from the... A huge target. Steps out and slogs it over the covers for more runs. One bounce and over the fence. Looks like he's sending a message to the bowler. First ball boundary. Oh, what a shot. The crowd has gone mad. Slogs it through the covers brilliantly. That's a good throw by the fielder. Get it right back at the stumps. That's given out by the umpire. Looks like they'll go up for the review. He's going to review the umpire's decision. A smart delivery with a great line that led right to the pads. LBW. A new batsman walking in. Hope he can save his team's hopes. New to the ground? Never mind. Hit a boundary off the first ball. To end the over. They're trying to mix things up a little bit with some quick pace. It doesn't seem to be timed well. Goes for the covers, but overextends the shot to square. The ball races away to the boundary. Beautiful delivery, and it swings through the line. Artful judgment there, finding a gap with that lofted offside drive. Batsman's error, fielder's joy. He's gone. A new batsman walking in. Hope he can save his team's hopes. Start. A boundary off his first encounter. He clears his front foot, waits, and then hammers the lofted drive over the long-on region. Good thinking by the batsman. They complete the single with ease. Steps out and hammers it into the stands. Gets underneath the ball this time and lofts it for a 6 off the last ball. The bowling decides to send in a spin meister. Can he spin up a wicket? It's in the air. If that finds a pair of hands, it's over. He gets under it and lofts it over and above the covers. He hits long and hard, down the ground, over the ropes it goes. What a body shot! Catch! Has the batsman goofed? The keeper certainly thinks so with that appeal. Oh, he could be out. The third umpire has been asked to decide. Is he? What a blinder! Such quick reflexes from the keeper there. He sent the batsman packing. He has to stick to his basics and not give away his wicket here. That's it! A deadly kiss goodbye to the bowler's last ball. Farewell by 4. A pacer who's known for his physical intensity. Can he up his game today? A fielder is getting ready to get a hold of it. He slogs that into the deep square. A safe pair of hands from the fielder. He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game here. Fantastic timing on that one. He plays a lofted flick over third man. There's no quarter for the batsman. Another scalp collected. Sailed right into waiting hands. It's a sad walk back for the batsman. The bowler has beaten the batsman with that delivery. The ball might as well be invisible. What a miss. Catch. He's played right into the fielder's hands. The bowler collects his dues, and the batsman can't open his account. It's a duck. Slogs it through the covers brilliantly. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. The bowler is about to begin the final exciting over. Cracking shot comes in during the final countdown. One bounce before the boundary line. It's in the air. This could be the big one. Goes for the slog over the covers, but ends up playing 2 square. Racing over the edge as this corker of a game draws to a conclusion. The batsman got luckier there. Whips the bat around, hard and square. Get it! He's hit it badly. He's hit it high. He's thundering over square. What a performance. The man of the hour also wins the man of the match.